Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, open your glove box completely. You'll need to remove any items inside to give yourself enough room to work comfortably. This initial step ensures you have a clear view and easy access to the components behind the glove box. Make sure you have your new filter ready to go, as we'll be installing it soon. Next, we'll remove the glove box itself to gain full access. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently unclip it from its attachment point. Then, push inward on both sides of the glove box to release the two stoppers. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing directly behind it. It's a straightforward process that opens up the area. Now let's get to the filter. You'll see a rectangular housing with two clips on the front. Unclip these and the cover will come off. Carefully slide out the old filter tray. Note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter, then insert your new filter, making sure its arrow points in the same direction. This is crucial for proper air circulation. Finally, let's put everything back together. Slide the filter housing cover back on and ensure both clips snap securely into place. Then, lift the glove box and gently push the sides inward to re-engage the stoppers. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all done. Enjoy your fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.